This stupid video is another example of the misinformation being spread here on YouTube. For example, it claims Obama hasn't had his children vaccinated against the swine flu. It was uploaded November 11th. Yet 2 weeks before this video was uploaded, on October 27th, the White House website posted this information. Malia and Sasha were both vaccinated for H1N1 last week, after the vaccine became available to Washington, D.C. school children. By the way, I got my swine flu or H1N1 flu shot this week, and I already had the seasonal flu shot 2 or 3 weeks ago. See the links for more information about the H1N1 virus and flu shot.